WKU has strived to make a diverse and inclusive campus for its students. However, a potential ruling could change how the university measures diversity. News Channel 12 reporter Katie Brooks reported that Washington, D.C. may be prepared to change a longtime standard.
Western Kentucky University is no stranger to facing government changes, like when the Department of Defense called for the removal of the Confucius Institute here on campus. But the Supreme Court is considering removing another policy that would affect both students and faculty: affirmative action. Affirmative action is a practice designed to ensure fairness in university admissions and employment across the country, calling for an end to discrimination based on demographic factors such as race. Created in 1961, the courts created the policy to assist groups who may be marginalized or underrepresented. However, the courts have reviewed and amended the practice several times, most recently in 2016. Currently, 2 cases are being presented before the courts that could ban the practice of considering race in admissions. Political science professor Jeff Budziak says the court's actions are in line with what they have previously proposed.
The Supreme Court has like a long history of this, right? And most of the time they have supported limited versions of affirmative action. But clearly they've been long-term skeptical. In a decision in 2003, the Supreme Court said that kind of famously, like, we don't believe you'll need affirmative action in 25 years. Now, this is a little faster than that. That was 2003. So, that was forecasting to 2028. We're not there yet, but we're not that far away. So many people believe that this really is walking towards the Supreme Court saying, like, it's time to sunset the idea of affirmative action.
While the removal of affirmative action may seem likely with the courts, many are concerned of the effect it will bring to campuses and workplaces. President of the Warren County NAACP, Ryan Dearbone, says policies like affirmative action are important to promoting diversity.
Diversity is important in these institutions because we want colleges, we want our places of employment to reflect what the world looks like, what our country looks like. It's not homogenous to one race or to one gender.
WKU prides itself on its diverse student body and provides many resources and groups for minority students. However, if affirmative action were to be removed, some are concerned on how Western would continue to implement diversity on campus.
Without affirmative action here on campus, there's a danger we could go back to, again, that homogenous way of just getting people without thinking about how diversity matters on this campus.
If affirmative action were to be removed, WKU can still promote diversity and work towards a diverse student body, but would have to find a way to do it without considering race in admissions. For News Channel 12, I'm Katie Brooks.
The Supreme Court is currently in session, but is yet to announce when the cases will be reviewed.